One of the world's longest and deepest railway tunnels, the Gotthard Base Tunnel, officially opened in June 2016. At 57 km long and with a rock overburden of 2,300 meters, the tunnel increases the total transport capacity across the Swiss Alps while reducing passenger travel between northern and southern Europe by 1 hour. The whole tunnel system measures a total of 152 km plus almost 50 km of newly built outdoor tracks. Before the tracks opened for the test operation, Grunder Ingenieure AG, a leading Swiss engineering firm, captured all the infrastructure of the tunnel for as-built documentation. The firm selected the Leica Pegasus tool in combination with Leica Geosystems total stations to safely and efficiently capture the entire infrastructure of the newly built open tracks. Easily attaching the capture platform to the prototype of the firm's specially designed rail trolley, the engineers were able to quickly and efficiently maneuver over the outdoor tracks to collect billions of points. With the Pegasus 2's 7 cameras providing full 360-degree dome imagery combined with the scans of the onboard lidar, no critical information is forgotten. With only one pass, all important documentation is made. Grunder was able to provide a complete dataset of 3D imagery and point clouds covering the rails, signage, posts, electrical lines, and further installations and structural elements. Martin Baumüller, Grunder's managing director, stated, "Being able to provide such a detailed dataset to the stakeholders enabled all interested parties to conduct their work swiftly and successfully. The Leica Pegasus tool increases our business and ensures we provide quality deliverables to our customers."